Hi, this is Vinith David, Assistant Professor from SNS Institutions, Basement. So today we are going to look at a topic called branding. So this brand's definitions, importance, and understanding the basics. So this is what we are going to look into this topics. So let us jump into the slides. So what is brand and the role of brand in marketing, the psychological impact of brand, the importance of brand in business, and challenges in branding. First is what is really a brand? Okay. So when a product is created, we used to name the product, create a logo, create a tagline, and overall design which is suitable for the product which we are creating. Okay. Now, if a product is created for the babies or like youngsters, it should not be branded. It should not have a dark colors, or like it should not have overall things which is attracted by the elderly people, so that because the products will not be sold, or like it cannot grab the targeted audience when it is not in their perspectives perspectives, or like on their thoughts of processes. So the brand name, the brand logo, and the brand tagline should be fixed according to your targeted audience. Why? Because the targeted audience are the persons, or like or the people, one who buys a product, one who uses a product. So we need to satisfy their digital needs as well as the product's quality. That builds the loyalty. So when we create a product, first we have to name it up. Without a name, they cannot recognize our product. So the name which we are going to keep should attract a targeted audience. The logo which we keep should attract a targeted audience. Why? Because at the end of the day, they are our customers. Their level of satisfaction should be high with our products which we are going to sell with them. So brand identity versus brand image. Brand identity refers to the visuals and the verbal elements that represents a brand. As I said, it covers the logo, names, the taglines, the blocks which we give on it, the wordings which we add on the brands is called the brand identity. And while brand image is the perception held by the consumers, understanding the distinctions help in efficiency managing both. When we created all the names, logos, taglines, we keep it on a wide surface, will not take our brand to the next level. We have to create a visual images for them to grab their eyes. On that point, people will identify your product, like the eyes will automatically fall onto your product when you have a suitable color for it, when you have a suitable background for it, when you have a suitable preferences which is all added for the customers. So this is the difference between the brand identity as well as the brand images. Next, types of brands which we do. One is product brands, service brands, and personal brands. So the product brands are, it is depends upon the products quality and the quantity and the pricing which we make on a product. The service brands, on the other hand, which we focus on values, experience, and the service which we create for them should fall very smoothly. And personal brand, it depends upon the individuals. When an individual himself is ready to brand him, on what basis he should brand, whether if he is a professor, he should brand himself with the subject knowledge what he currently has, or like what is expertise. If he is in a computer science background, what sort of things that he has equipped with them, whether he is a developer, whether he is a networking person, like networker, or like whether he is uh, a coding person, or like everything. So he should identify the skills between like which is held within him, and he should brand accordingly. So all these phases have like simple terms which is called brands. We like a simple example that should be thrown is your name itself, a branding, where you create a value on your names. Because without a name, how can a person can call you? That is how it goes up. We cannot call a person like come here or go there without any names. It is like in a common forum, you can call like a group of flocks into one common faces, but you cannot call a particular person without a name. That itself a brand of a person. If we recognize a company or the CEOs, we tell their names. Where the when you tell their name, the image comes into your mind automatically. That is how the psychology works with this brand. When the name itself is pronounced, the brand itself will be recognized by you. That is what really a branding is called. I hope you would have got some thoughts and ideas of what is really the branding is. Thank you so much.